How to use a Starbucks gift card. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can go ahead and use your Starbucks gift card. Now you can basically go ahead and apply your gift card through your Starbucks account. Now in our case, it's going to be from the mobile application. So you can just go ahead and get it from the App Store or Google Play Store. From there, you can just go ahead and log in your account, and once inside, you can then go ahead and see a button called Join Rewards. So you want to proceed by clicking on the Join Rewards button, enter your personal information, security, and you want to make sure that you join the Starbucks reward. From there, you enter your birth date. You can just go ahead and agree to the terms and agreement, and from there you will be able to click on Add Money, on which you can enter the credentials or the information from the gift card itself. This will basically go ahead and add funds on your Starbucks account, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.